Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Studio 24. I'm Jamie Fox, and today we're diving into something super exciting, Code Run, the Python Heist. Now, this isn't just your average game. It's an adventure where you get to learn Python programming while unlocking doors, disabling security systems, and even cracking vaults. Sounds fun, right? Well, trust me, it is. So here's the deal. Code Run is a game designed to teach Python programming through interactive puzzles and challenges. Whether you're new to coding or have some experience, this game will help you sharpen your skills by solving problems that use real Python code, things like variables, loops, and functions. Before we jump into the gameplay, I'm going to show you how to get this game running on your computer. It's pretty simple. You'll find the game code in the comments section below this video. Just follow along, and you'll be hacking your way into virtual vaults in no time. First things first, you'll need Python installed on your computer. Head over to the official Python website, python.org, and download the latest version of Python. Now during installation, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This is super important because it lets you run Python from the command line. Now that Python is installed, it's time to pick an IDE, an integrated development environment where you'll write and run your code. Depending on your level of experience and preference, I've got a couple of recommendations for you. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend Thonny. It's simple, lightweight, and has all the basics you need to get started. Plus, it comes with Python already installed, so you don't have to worry about setup. For intermediate or advanced users, VS Code is a great option. It's super powerful, and with the Python extension, you'll get all sorts of cool features like syntax highlighting, debugging tools, and more. Another option is PyCharm. It's a full-featured IDE built specifically for Python, and the free community edition is perfect for most coding projects, including Code Run. Whichever one you choose, you can find download links in the description of this video, or you can just Google them. Once you've got Python and your IDE installed, it's time to get the game code from the comment section below. Just copy the code, open up your IDE, and paste it into a new Python file. Save the file as something like coderun.py. Then, go ahead and run the file. If everything went smoothly, you should see the game's UI pop up, or a terminal asking you to solve your first challenge. At this point, you're ready to dive into the game, solve puzzles, and level up your Python skills. Alright, let's do a quick recap on IDEs. Here are the options based on what you need. Thonny is the way to go if you're new to coding. It's super straightforward and beginner-friendly. VS Code is perfect if you want more customization and features, especially if you plan to do more coding projects down the road. PyCharm is ideal if you're looking for a fully integrated Python development environment with more advanced tools. All of these work great for running Code Run, so just choose the one that fits your style. That's it for today's intro. By now, you should have everything you need to get started with Code Run, the Python Heist. Be sure to drop your questions in the comments if you run into any issues. And remember, learning to code is just like solving a puzzle. Take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be cracking those virtual vaults wide open. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tech Studio 24 if you haven't already. We've got plenty more coding challenges coming up that will keep you learning, improving your skills, and having fun. Join the community, and let's level up together. All right, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Good luck, and happy coding.